Hi, this is a very quick MET training tutorial on how to monitor and manage your Google account activity across multiple devices. Once you've logged into your Gmail account, the first thing you'll need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of your inbox. Underneath the very last email in your inbox, you'll see some information about your account. Over here on the left side, you'll see how much information, how much storage space you have left of the 30 gigabytes that Google gives you to start out with. Over on the right side, you can see some account activity information, and mine says that my last account activity was 0 minutes ago because I'm currently logged in. I'm going to click on Details right here and maximize that Details dialog box. So this gives you kind of a snapshot at the last 24 hours of your account, and it shows you both the access type, the location, and the time, or date and time. If it says browser, that shows you that it was either logged on from Chrome or Internet Explorer, basically just from a desktop application. Mobile just means that it was accessed through a phone, an iPad, a tablet, some sort of a device. And I know that it's okay for a mobile access type to pop up on mine because I use the Gmail app on my iPhone and on my iPad. And these authorized applications, that is Google backing up your data on a very regular basis to their cloud servers. So when you see the authorized application, that is totally okay. That is Google updating it for you and backing up for you. Under location, it gives you a general area in the United States, or if you're in a different country, it'll show you that area as well. It gives you the state as well as the IP address. So I know that my IP address at home is starts with a 7.5, which is why my mobile also has the IP address with the 7.5, because when I'm at home, I'm connected to my phone is connected to my Wi-Fi. And it also shows you the time over here on the side with the date. Now, if I, for example, saw something here that said United States and it said California or Florida, and it was not one of these authorized applications, that would raise a red flag because I would know that someone somewhere is logged on either with their mobile device or through a browser into my account, and that they're accessing my information. And it also shows you when they did that. So if you see that, if there's something in the location or the time that really raises a red flag for you, you can immediately sign out everywhere. So up here at the top, I can click on sign out of all other sessions. And what that does, it signs me out of any browsers that I'm signed on. So if I'm signed on at work, but I also have my computer at home logged on, it will automatically log me off of my computer at home. It will log you out of your mobile, all of those things. So if there's a red flag about somebody being logged into your account, you can sign out everywhere. And then for the alert preferences at the bottom, you can tell it to show an alert for unusual activity. That is the default. That is what Google defaults to. So you probably shouldn't have to change that, but you definitely want it to show an alert if you have unusual activity. So I hope this is helpful in just giving you an idea of how to more closely monitor your account information, your account activity, and just keep your information safe while you're using Gmail and Google. Thanks.